welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make some mini donuts, and then I did make some orange glaze to go with them. I know the kids are going to love them. Look at how soft and nice these are. They are melting, guys, trust me. Simple, easy, and nice. Let me tell you something. Once you make these donuts, they do not last. All right, so let's get started. Into my dish I'm going to add some all-purpose flour, sift them well. Then I'm going to grate some nutmeg, and this is my version. All right, I'm not using any egg into this because not everybody use eggs at all times, but you can feel free to add some egg into your donuts. And I add some salt and some sugar along with the yeast. Then I'm just going to mix it up well, making sure that everything is well combined. I'm going to use some warm milk along with some butter. And as I mix, I'm going to add the milk, all right? But guys, you know at this time that the spatula does not do the work. So I'm gonna keep just rubbing it in a little. And then I'm gonna use my fingers, guys. If I don't going on flour and I don't feel that flour with my hands, to me like I'm not doing anything at all. So what we want to do is go in here now and then just give it a nice mix. I'm feeling a little down today. If not, I was gonna get over on that countertop, pour this mixture out and just mash it, right? But today I'm just gonna go a little light. You wanna do it until it forms like a little dough ball. I'm going to add a little bit of oil into my hands and just place it right over the top. At this time, my dough is not gonna be smooth. Don't you worry about it. What I'm going to do is just knead it in as much as I can. And then you're gonna see at this time that it is not smooth. So what I'm going to do is just place a piece of plastic wrap right over this container and let it sit for about 25 minutes or until the dough has doubled in size. 25 minutes later, guys, I'm going to just lightly flour my surface top. And then I'm gonna put my dough right over on top here. And what you wanna do right now is to knead this for 3 long minutes. Once I'm done doing this, I'm going to make a dough ball. Use the same dish that I mixed this dough in and just place it right over this dough and let it sit for another 20 minutes. Okay, so it's time to check the dough. And you can see that our dough has been risen, guys. So it's time to flour the surface. You don't want to use much flour here. And then I'm going to roll it out. Now I'm making some mini donuts, some very small donuts. So I'm going to roll my dough out very thin, not too thin like if I'm making a flat bread, but like a little under 1/4 of an inch. And at this time I do not have a donut cutter, guys, so I'm going to improvise, all right? What I'm going to use is a glass, and depends on the size of donut that you want to make, then you're going to use that size of cutter. So if you don't have a donut cutter, no worries. Nothing is too hard, guys. Just use a glass, depends on the size that you want to make, or any sharp edge container, and cut your dough like this. Once I cut them, I'm going to take the smaller snap glass and just create that little hole in the middle by pressing it like this. And there you have it. So I'm going to continue to do the rest. And once I'm done with this, guys, I'm gonna just put a cling wrap right over the top and let it sit for another 10 minutes. At this time, I have my oil over medium heat, and you don't want the oil to be too hot. If you're accustomed being in the kitchen, then you can take the pattern from this, because once I put the donut into the oil, then you will get an idea as to what I'm talking about. As you can see, as I put the donuts, it is taking its time to fry, not too much of heat. And we want some nice golden brown donuts, so you want them to take their time and fry. Once they get brown on one side, I'm going to flip them over. These are some beautiful colors here. You could even fry them darker if you want. So once I'm done, I'm going to remove them, place them on a plate with paper towel, just so I can get the excess oil out, and continue to fry the rest. They're so simple and easy to make, guys. So our donuts are done, and these are just some that I'm showing you, all right? You want them to be completely cool before you actually put the glaze. So into my powdered sugar, I'm going to add some pineapple juice. Sorry guys, some orange juice. Whip it well until it is smooth and nice. Then just put that donut in there, and that's it. It is simple and nice. Easy to put together, guys. Grab a cup of coffee. You can have them for lunch, you can have them for snack, you can have them for breakfast. Take them to a picnic, guys, and here you have it. Let me show you what they look like. They are so soft, and they're melting in your mouth. So give it a try, guys. Your kids are gonna love them. Your family is gonna love them. Leave me a comment. Let me know how it turned out. And thank you for coming in the kitchen with Lynn. Don't you forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Enjoy.